where the weird meets the wonderful. Ever wondered how some of the biggest scientific discoveries came to be? Spoiler alert. It's not always as glamorous as you might think. Let's dive into the quirky history of the cell theory. Imagine a world before microscopes. People had no idea that tiny, living things were all around them. That's until a Dutch guy named Antony van Leeuwenhoek decided to make his own microscope. It looked more like a tiny paddle than a modern lab instrument. Can you imagine using that to study bacteria? But Leeuwenhoek did just that. He discovered bacteria by looking at his own teeth gunk. Gross, right? But it was a groundbreaking discovery, and he wasn't the only one making weird observations. Robert Hooke, another scientist, was looking at cork and saw tiny boxes. He called them cells, just like the rooms in a monastery. Over time, scientists like Matthias Jakob Schleiden and Theodor Schwann realized that all living things were made of these cells, and Rudolf Virchow figured out that cells come from other cells. Together, they formed the cell theory, a cornerstone of biology. So the next time you're learning about science, remember that behind every boring fact is a weird and wonderful story. Who knows, maybe you'll discover something amazing with your own DIY microscope.